In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see old tweets on Twitter. Maybe you're trying to find something you posted years ago, or you just want a complete record of your activity. Instead of endlessly scrolling back on your profile, the best way to do this is to download an archive of your data directly from X, formerly known as Twitter. This archive includes your old tweets in a structured format that's much easier to search and browse. First, open your web browser and go to the X Home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account whose tweets you want to see. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're on the right one, because the archive will only contain data for the account you're currently using. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled More. Click on this. It may be near the bottom of the menu, and depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a bit within that sidebar to see it. When you click More, a small menu will pop up with several additional options. From this list, click on Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page where you can manage things like your account, privacy, and data. On the Settings page, make sure you're in the Your Account section. There you'll see an option called Download an Archive of Your Data. This is the key feature we need. Click on Download an Archive of Your Data. X may ask you to re-enter your password or confirm your identity, especially if it's been a while since you last logged in or changed sensitive settings. Go ahead and complete any security checks they require. Once you're on the data download page, look for the button that says Request Archive. Click on Request Archive to start the process. At this point, X will begin preparing a downloadable file that contains your account history, including your old tweets. Keep in mind that this isn't instant. Depending on how long you've had your account and how active you've been, it can take some time for X to generate the archive. When it's ready, you'll receive a notification or an email with a link to download it. After downloading, you can open the archive on your computer and explore your tweets, including very old ones that are hard to reach directly on the site. And that's how you use X's built-in tools to access your old tweets in a reliable, organized way.